Okay, we are back.
We are.
So, what do you think of the letter B show so far, big buddy?
Brilliant, Bird. Bravo. Bouillabaisse.
Okay. All right. Next up on the letter B show, we have another friend of Sesame Street whose name begins with the letter B. It's Barkley.
Hey there, Barkley. I think Barkley's excited to be here, Bird.
Well, we're excited to have him because today, as a special treat to all you bee lovers and dog lovers out there, Barkley is going to do a bee dog trick that has never, ever been done before in the whole wide world, ever.
And what bee trick might that be?
Well, there it is, Mr. Fuzzy Face. It's Barkley is going to beat a bongo, bong a bell, bounce a ball, and bite a bone. All things that start with the letter B.
Are you telling me that Barkley is going to beat that bongo, bong that bell, bounce that ball, and then bite that bone?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. You betcha.
Belly ho!
Are you ready for your bee dog trick, Barkley? Drum roll, please, Doc. Okay. Go get him, boy. Go get him. Barkley, what about the bongo, bell, and ball?
He just grabbed the bone and bolted.
Barkley, come back here.
Oh, now what are we gonna do, Bird?
Well, while we get this all straightened out, let's watch a bee adventure with Alpha Boy.
Alpha Boy? Did you say Alpha Boy?
You are correct.
I love Alpha Boy.